Ants are descendants of wasps and have existed on Earth for a very long time. They can carry several times their body weight and do not die from falling from high places. Their adaptability and omnivorous diet have made them one of the most populous species on Earth. It is possible that, if extraterrestrial beings visited Earth, they might encounter ants instead of humans. An ant colony consists of a single queen ant, tens of thousands of worker ants, princess ants, male ants, and soldier ants. Only the queen ant lays eggs, doing so for about 14 years, often to replace the number of ants that die. Worker ants are female and perform various tasks, starting from tending to the queen ant and taking on more responsibilities as they grow. Princess ants, also female, have wings and stay inside the nest until their nuptial flight to avoid death. Male ants, the only males in the ant society, are born with wings and from unfertilized eggs, allowing the queen to produce them parthenogenetically. Genetically, males are haploid, making them akin to living sperm in ant disguise. Soldier ants, a specialized group of female workers, have developed mandibles for better combat performance and participate in exploration or warfare. Honeypot ants have very large abdomens and store nectar hanging upside down from the ceiling. Ants are divided into head, thorax, and abdomen, with 6 legs and 2 antennae for communication through pheromones. They exchange thoughts through antennal contact and differentiate objects or smells by waving their antennae. Ants also have a crop for storing liquid food, and both male and female ants have developed infrared vision for clear sight. Wings allow them to fly during their nuptial flight, a mating ritual where the princess ant FLIs, followed by male ants, mating in mid-air while avoiding predators, after which the males die. A few male ants ensure a lifetime supply of sperm for the queen, who lays eggs daily. Most ants die during this flight, with very few surviving to establish their colonies. Ants typically live for 3 to 4 years, but queen ants can live for over a decade. When an ant dies, it releases oleic acid. Ants exchange nutrients by regurgitating stored food to feed each other, a process known as trophallaxis. They farm aphids for honeydew, protect them, and provide food. Ants also engage in mutualistic relationships with various animals and cultivate fungi using leaves, waste, and ant-produced antibiotics as fertilizer. Ants are among the few species that wage war, using formic acid or mandibles to fight, often taking the resources, eggs, and larvae of the defeated as spoils, which they may use as food or enslave. However, in ant society, these slaves simply function as worker ants without discrimination.